A very good morning to you children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So once again we are back in our English class. And before I start with today's lesson, I would like to repeat the 3 golden rules to stop the spread of coronavirus. Those are using of face masks, maintaining hand hygiene, that is cleaning the hands, and thirdly is maintaining social distancing. So we have to follow these strictly. Now we come back to our lesson, and as you all know that in English we were doing lesson 3, an Earth Day Carol, and I hope you have thoroughly understood the chapter and the theme behind that it is our moral duty to take care of the earth. So now we start with the exercises today. In the video previously I posted, I had asked you to complete the word meanings of the chapter, and today we are going to start with exercise C, which is stating about complete the following table. When you have a look into your books, you will see that there are 4 headings which are given to us. The first is who was the ghost. Second is where the ghost took Ebenezer. Third is what Ebenezer saw. And the fourth one is how Ebenezer reacted. So we have to complete the table under these 4 headings. Let us begin. As we all know that the first one to visit was Ghost of Earth Day Past. Where did he take Ebenezer? He had taken Ebenezer to a woodland area, an area which was full of greenery. What Ebenezer saw there? He saw a clean and green area. The woodland area was very, very neat and clean, and there was greenery all around. How did Ebenezer react over there? He was very excited. He was very happy to see the clean and pure earth. Now we come on to the second visitor. The second visitor was the Ghost of Earth Day Present. Now, what had the Ghost of Earth Day Present done? He had taken Ebenezer to a recycling center, right? What had Ebenezer seen over there? Ebenezer had seen that a group of children who were discussing about the ways to keep earth clean. So they were discussing that what all the things they should do so that they can keep the earth neat and clean. And what happened, or how did Ebenezer react? He was annoyed. He did not like that what the children were discussing. So he was annoyed because he was not liking the concept. Now after the Earth Day Ghost Present left, the third visitor was the Ghost of Earth Day Future. Now where did he take Ebenezer? He had taken Ebenezer to a vast wasteland. It was just a big wasteland, means an open land where there was nothing over there. What did Ebenezer see over there? There were piles of garbage and pollution everywhere. So in that wasteland, Ebenezer could see only the piles of garbage and pollution everywhere. Now how did Ebenezer feel? He felt bad for littering and spoiling the earth. So this was the time when Ebenezer realized that he had done something wrong. So he felt bad that he had littered the earth, he had spoiled the earth. So I hope the table is clear to you. We move on to the next exercise, that is exercise D. Answer these questions. First question given to us is, what did the first and the second children tell Ebenezer? So this question is from Act 1 of the play. The first and second children told Ebenezer that as the next day, I have used here next day, but the children were speaking tomorrow. So when we are writing in the indirect speech in the answer, we never write tomorrow, we always write the next day. So they told Ebenezer that as next day was the Earth Day, he should not litter the town. Keeping earth clean is everyone's duty. So these two children, they tried to tell Ebenezer that he should keep the earth neat and clean. He should not litter. He should not throw garbage on the street, because keeping earth clean is everybody's duty. Moving on to the second question. What did the ghost of Earth Day Past tell Ebenezer? So what did the ghost of Earth Day Past tell Ebenezer? The ghost of Earth Day Past told Ebenezer that in the past, when people took care of the earth, it was clean and green. But now people have started wasting and polluting it. So it has become dirty. So the ghost was trying to explain Ebenezer that in the past the earth was very neat and clean, but now it is becoming dirty day by day because people are making it dirty. Third question is, where did the ghost of Earth Day Past take Ebenezer? This question we have done in the table also. So the ghost of Earth Day Past took Ebenezer to a woodland area, means to a forest area which was very neat and it was full of greenery, means there was greenery all around. All around there were plants, trees, beautiful area that was. Fourth question is, what did the ghost of Earth Day Present show Ebenezer? So, the ghost of Earth Day Present showed Ebenezer a recycling center. Where had he taken Ebenezer? He had taken Ebenezer to a recycling center where children, what was happening over there? Children were discussing about the ways to save earth from pollution. So, there was some 7 to 8 children who were talking about what they should do so that they can keep their earth neat and clean and to save it from pollution. Now we move on to the next question. Question number 5 is, why is Earth Day celebrated and when was the first Earth Day celebrated? We have the full information of this thing in the chapter. Earth Day is celebrated to enjoy our planet. Our planet is Earth because we live on Earth. So Earth Day is celebrated to enjoy our planet, to learn about our planet and to help our planet. And the first Earth Day was celebrated on April 22, 1970. So from 1970 we are celebrating the Earth Day. Sixth question is, why is the future of the earth frightening? Why is it frightening to see that earth's future is in darkness? The future of the earth is frightening because if people continue to litter and pollute, soon a day would come when earth will change into a wasteland with no living things. So future of the earth is frightening because if people will continue to pollute the earth, if they will continue to litter, to throw garbage here and there, so a day will come when earth will change into a wasteland and there will be no living things remaining. Next question, number 7. What are the 3 R's mentioned in the play? So 3 important R's which we are studying nowadays. We should have total information about these 3 R's. They are very, very important. They are reduce, reuse and recycle. Means we have to reduce the wastage, we have to reuse the things and then we have to recycle the things whichever we can. Now we come on to the 8th question. Some lines are given to us. Is that you, Ebenezer Litterbug? Yes, it's me, but I've changed. So it is a conversation between Ebenezer and some other person. Let us see the questions. First question is, who is speaking to Ebenezer Litterbug? So the line, is that you, Ebenezer Litterbug? Who had spoken these lines? It was child 1. So child 1 is speaking to Ebenezer Litterbug. Second question is, how was Ebenezer Litterbug change. Now, what was the change that has come in Ebenezer? Ebenezer Litterbug was changed as, instead of littering the earth, he started caring for it. So in the beginning of the chapter we had read that he was littering. He was throwing garbage here and there. But now he started caring for earth. He said that he will not litter but he will take care of the earth. The C and the last part is, what are the children celebrating? So it is very much obvious that the children are celebrating the Earth Day. So I hope children you have understood these questions. So exercise C and D is the work for today which you have to write down in your notebooks. And after writing, you should learn it also so that you are day to day completing the work also, and side by side you are learning it also. Till then, have a nice day.